Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to talk about one of the most sought-after topics in the world of finance, passive income. It's a type of income that you can earn while you're sleeping or on vacation, without having to work actively for it. In this video, we'll be discussing some passive income ideas that you can use to earn money without sacrificing your time and effort. Number 1. Dividend stocks. Investing in dividend stocks is a popular way to earn passive income. These stocks are issued by companies that pay a portion of their profits to shareholders in the form of dividends. By investing in dividend stocks, you can earn regular payments without having to actively work for them. However, it's important to note that dividend stocks are not a quick way to get rich. It requires wise investment decisions and patience to see significant returns over time. In the long run, investing in dividend stocks can be a lucrative and reliable source of passive income. Number 2. Rental properties. Investing in rental properties is another popular way to earn passive income. This involves purchasing a property and renting it out to tenants, with the rent payments serving as your passive income. Although being a landlord requires some effort, you can outsource most of the responsibilities to property management companies. Rental properties can be a great long-term investment, as property values typically appreciate over time. With the right approach, investing in rental properties can provide a reliable and steady stream of passive income for years to come. Number 3. Online businesses. The internet has provided numerous opportunities for generating passive income through online businesses. Starting a blog, creating an e-commerce store, or developing a mobile app are just a few examples of how to earn passive income online. Finding a niche that you're passionate about and that has a large enough audience to support it is key to succeeding in an online business. Once you have established a loyal following, you can monetize your online business through advertising, affiliate marketing, or product sales. With dedication and effort, building a successful online business can provide a lucrative source of passive income. Number 4. Creating and selling digital products. Creating and selling digital products can be a great way to earn passive income. You can create products such as ebooks, online courses, or printables, and sell them through popular platforms like Etsy, Amazon, or your own website. Once you've created the product, it can continue to generate income for you through sales, even when you're not actively promoting it. To maximize your earnings, it's important to create high-quality products that provide value to your customers and market them effectively to your target audience. With the right strategy and effort, selling digital products can provide a reliable and scalable source of passive income. Number 5. Investing in vending machines. Investing in vending machines is a unique way to earn passive income. With this method, you purchase and place vending machines in high-traffic areas, such as malls or office buildings. You can then earn income from the sales of the products in the machine, such as snacks or drinks. The key to success with vending machine investing is to choose high-traffic locations and popular products that appeal to the target audience. While there is some initial investment required to purchase the machines, vending machines can provide a reliable and passive source of income with minimal ongoing effort required. Number 6. Staking cryptocurrencies. Staking cryptocurrencies is a popular way to earn passive income in the crypto market. By holding a certain amount of a cryptocurrency in a wallet and staking it, you can help secure the network and validate transactions. In return for staking, you can earn rewards in the form of additional cryptocurrency. However, it's important to choose a cryptocurrency that has a strong network and demand for staking to ensure reliable and consistent earnings. Additionally, some staking requires a minimum holding period, so it's important to do your research before investing. Nonetheless, staking can provide a reliable and passive source of income in the crypto market. And that's it for today's video on passive income ideas. Whether you choose to invest in dividend stocks, rental properties, online businesses, digital products, vending machines, or staking cryptocurrencies, there are many ways to earn money without sacrificing your time and effort. Remember, building passive income streams requires patience, dedication, and wise investment decisions. I hope you found this video informative and helpful. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more earning-related content. Thanks for watching.